Okay, here we are. We are in the midst of the SwimBiz blizzard. It's still coming down here. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm looking for Matt Farrell. Don't see him anywhere. Maybe he's skiing. I just know. Whoa, watch out. I just know that he's going to, he's going to probably have some sort of tweet contest where we have to build a snowman and then tweet the picture. That's going to be my guess. Maybe I'll text Wendy and see if that's what's going on. But anyway, it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see how it's coming down. The trail here. It's kind of awesome. It's a good thing I wore my new sun-kissed jacket that I got. And of course, wouldn't go anywhere without my Seahawks scarf and beanie. And I'll try to be careful here.